Hey my friends, so it's Nazmul and I am from Bangladesh. You know, my native language is Bangla and English is my second language. So, in this video, I will tell you how I stopped translating and how I started thinking in English. Okay, this is a very good part to learn English because if you always translate in English, it will be very bad habit. But yeah, still you can translate, but not totally 100%. You have to start like slowly, like small words. Those you cannot. So the first things is uh, you have to see in your rooms the tools you know in English and the tools you don't know in English. I think in your room or in your surrounding area you saw lots of things. So just see what you don't know in which tools, just then translate those, and then just capture it in your mind. Also repeat it. Don't be translate everything, because when you will do it, you all time you like a simple sentence or simple word. Also when someone asks you, you also will go to like on translate. It's very bad habit. So this is the number one. Just see your rooms, what is the tools, then learn slowly. This is the first step, and then you can increase your area, or you can increase your topic. The second step is like narrate your routine. I mean, everybody has a routine, what they will do daily, what is their daily plan, in like every times, in 1 hour 2 hour, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. So just think that what you will do today, write it down on your list, okay, in your notebook. See what you are looking in the list and just talk to in yourself. This is very useful, because when you will see your to-do list in English, no problem if you cannot write in English. I think 50% you can write, then other 50% you can take help from Google Translate. This habit is very beneficiary. Every day you have to do this, and this also help you to do like your other works. So to-do list is very important. Just make a plan in English and switch to a dictionary. If you have mobile apps, no problem. If you have also like dictionary books, this is also good. Why dictionary is useful? Because dictionary will make you more productive. The better is use a physical dictionary. It will help you to be more hard worker rather than apps will make you lazy. So those words you don't know, you can like if your language is Arabic, or if your language is like Hindi, French, Spain, no problem, you can use those types of dictionary. Those are converted into English translation, okay. Because apps is very like people right now using mobile, but they cannot remove the social media apps, because it's a very time wasting, and it's a big addicted. So when you will go the apps, then lots of ads, lots of you will like after 5 minutes 10 minutes you will think that, oh, check my Facebook, check my Instagram. No my friend, this is it's not like that. It's very bad habit. I am at the real reason. So please read a real dictionary and just start practicing. Even also if you have time, start capturing or start memorizing like daily 20 new words, 30 new words. The last things is practice. Practice makes a man perfect. This is 100% true. uh, when you will practice, don't worry about your mistakes, about your failure, about that people are criticizing you. No, just think that what you are doing today. Talk to yourself, talk to in the nature. If you go for the sports, just talk to, okay. Also you can make the friends community, those who are interested. If you have no friends, if you have 2 friends, 1 friend, this is enough. Or if you have no friend, talk to yourself, talk to the camera. just start practice. This is helpful. I am still learning. I am practicing every day. I am not fully expert in English, I believe, but you and me, I think no difference. We are all learning. So my friend, that's why no, don't translate. Stop translating and just thinking in English. That this four process will help you to think in English. So my friend, thank you and please subscribe.